A quality optical audio cable ensures crystal clear digital sound, eliminates electrical interference, and delivers immersive audio for TVs, soundbars, gaming consoles, and home theaters. My today's video is about top 5 best optical audio cables review that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Titan Optical Audio Cable. Built for premium digital audio performance, this optical audio cable uses high-quality POF optical fiber to deliver flawless light-based signal transmission with complete immunity to electromagnetic interference, EMI, and ground loop noise. The result is exceptionally clean, stable sound with support for high-resolution 24-bit/192 kHz audio. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or listening to music, it supports Dolby, DTS, 7.1.2 surround sound, and up to 16-channel audio for an immersive experience. The 5mu 24K gold-plated pure copper connectors and solid copper shell ensure secure, corrosion-resistant connections while reducing signal loss and blocking external interference. Its durable 7mm nylon braided jacket resists wear, prevents tangling, and allows flexible 60 degrees bends for hassle-free cable management. Compatible with all standard TOSLINK and S/PDF ports, it works seamlessly with TVs, soundbars, receivers, DACs, PS4, PlayStation, Xbox, and other audio devices. This cable is an excellent choice for anyone seeking dependable, crystal-clear digital audio performance. Now our second product is VioE Optical Audio Cable 15 feet. The VioE Optical Audio Cable is a dependable solution for anyone looking to upgrade their home entertainment system with reliable, high-quality digital audio. Compatible with any device featuring a standard TOSLINK, S/PDF, optical port, it easily connects TVs, soundbars, receivers, Blu-ray players, PS4, Xbox, and more. Its premium nylon-braided exterior is engineered to withstand over 15,000 bends, offering exceptional durability for long-term use. Precision-polished aluminum shells and 24K gold-plated connectors help resist corrosion while minimizing EMI and RFI interference, ensuring a clean and stable audio signal. The cable supports uncompressed PCM audio as well as Dolby Digital Plus, DTS HD, ADAT, LPCM, and 5.1 to 7.1 surround sound formats, delivering immersive, theater-quality sound for movies, music, and gaming. Thoughtful additions like protective rubber caps and a reusable cable tie make storage and maintenance simple. Backed by a limited lifetime replacement warranty, it's an excellent investment for lasting audio performance. Our third product is Cable Direct TOSLINK Optical Audio Cable. This optical digital audio cable is an excellent choice for anyone seeking dependable, high-quality sound without signal degradation. Designed for devices with standard TOSLINK, OPT/out, or S/PDF ports, it seamlessly connects TVs, gaming consoles, Blu-ray players, streaming devices, soundbars, amplifiers, DACs, and hi-fi systems. Its metal-free fiber optic construction transmits audio using light, making it completely immune to electromagnetic and electrical interference for consistently clean, distortion-free sound. The flexible PVC jacket enhances durability while allowing easy installation in tight spaces. Equipped with corrosion-resistant 24K gold-plated connectors, the cable maintains secure connections and reliable long-term performance. Because it uses optical signal transmission, it delivers digital audio with virtually zero signal loss, preserving every detail of your movies, music, and games. Every cable is rigorously tested during manufacturing to ensure quality and reliability. Backed by a generous 36-month manufacturer warranty, this cable offers lasting value and dependable performance for any home entertainment setup. Now number 4, EMK Digital Optical Audio Cable. The EMK optical audio cable is a reliable upgrade for anyone seeking clearer, interference-free digital sound from their home entertainment system. Designed with universal compatibility, It connects effortlessly to TVs, soundbars, home theater receivers, PS4, Xbox, Blu-ray players, and other devices equipped with TOSLINK ports. Its premium optical fiber core transmits audio using light instead of electrical signals, eliminating electromagnetic and radio frequency interference for consistently clean sound. The cable supports uncompressed PCM audio along with Dolby Digital Plus, DTS HD High Resolution, LPCM, and 5.1 to 7.1 surround sound formats, creating an immersive listening experience for movies, music, and gaming. Built with a durable nylon braided jacket, it resists kinks, everyday wear, and strain while remaining flexible for easy installation. The 24K gold-plated ferrules and full metal connectors enhance corrosion resistance and maintain stable signal transfer over time. Combined with responsive customer support, this cable delivers dependable performance and excellent long-term value. And our last choice is Worky Optical Audio Cable. The Worky Digital Optical Audio Cable is an excellent choice for anyone who wants premium digital sound with long-lasting durability. Designed for TVs, soundbars, home theater receivers, PS4, Xbox, and other devices with standard TOSLINK S/PDF ports, it delivers crystal-clear audio for movies, gaming, and music. Featuring premium Toray fiber cores from Japan, the cable ensures zero distortion signal transmission while supporting uncompressed PCM audio and advanced surround sound formats such as Dolby Digital Plus, DTS HD High Resolution, and LPCM in 5.1 to 7.1 channels. Its durable nylon braided jacket, CL3 in-wall safety rating, aluminum housing, and gold-plated connectors provide outstanding protection against wear, corrosion, and signal degradation. The snug-fitting connectors create a stable, secure connection, while the included rubber caps and cable tie help keep the cable clean and organized. Backed by responsive technical support, this optical cable offers dependable performance and exceptional value for building an immersive home theater experience. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.